I think when we set out to organise games this autumn, obviously we were back in September, we faced Austria and Belgium, then we went out to Spain to face England, Holland and Switzerland, and now this week you're playing Japan, the USA and Germany, so all heavyweights in football, really tough games, but they're the games we want our young talents to face because it stretches them into the levels you need to play at to be able to compete, which we're going to have to do next June when we host the finals. It's been really positive week, really enjoyable. It always is when you're with this group of players. They're good fun to be around, you know, they've got a real energy around the camp, but also this week they transferred onto the pitch, you know, which we've seen in the two performances against Japan and the USA at the race course.
Yeah, look, all the boys have really enjoyed it. I think we've had a really good week. So the first game was Japan, obviously it was a big honour for me to captain the team, to a big win as well. The crew scored last kick of the ball, which was nice as well.
I think I just won the free kick and I knew it was the last minute of the game, and I just thought I'm just going to go for it, and if I just get it around the wall, hopefully it'll go in, and it did.
Everyone was really happy after the game, and it gives you a real buzz going into the games after that as well, because you know you're good enough to beat the teams you've played against as well.
The second game against the USA, I think we stuck well together as a team and we got the job done.
They were physically strong, technically good. We probably could have played better in the second half, but I thought the boys were really good first half, and yeah, we got a good result on penalties.
But I think that togetherness was really evident across both games. If you get that, it probably gives you a better chance of having a positive result, which it's not all about results, but it's kind of getting that way for these boys and the age they're at, and certainly next June at the finals, it will be all about results.
Yeah, next year at the Euros 19s finals tournament here, so this is a kind of test event really to try and showcase the facilities, the investment going into North Wales.
We're very proud to be able to host internationals. We've got a stadium here now which is a full-size international football pitch. We started 2.5 years ago, never thinking we'd get to this point. First of all, we had a really good football pitch and that attracted the Welsh FA's attention. Well, they came and visited and played a few games, but the rest of our facilities were just not fit for purpose.
Da ni wedi cychwyn efo buddsoddi yn y cae, ac erbyn hyn, da chi'n gweld efo adeilad tu ôl i ni, a mae o'n rhoi siawns i ni dda hoci ifanc a gobeithio sef y dyfodol. Da ni wedi gweld ambell i chwaraewr dros y blynyddoedd diwetha o dan 15 Cymru, y chwarae yma. Mae hein yn lefel uwch eto. A mae o'n rhoi cyfle i hoci ifanc a plant y dre ddod i weld pa mor uchelgeisiol fedrwn nhw fod. Mae o'n brofiad bendigedig a mae hwn yn test go iawn i beth sy'n ei ddod yn y hanes yma.
To host international football is one thing, but what it'll do for the Denbigh Town Football Club for the next generation, 10, 15, 20 years, is amazingly fantastic. The whole community will benefit, the whole of Denbigh will benefit, and I think the whole of Vale Clwyd will benefit from the attraction of thousands of people coming to visit, to watch international games.
And I think having a major tournament here, you know, UEFA obviously come here and they look at these facilities and try and improve them. Obviously the Welsh FA have then got to put resource into these facilities like Denbigh, Colwyn Bay, and they provide legacy programmes which hopefully inspire young boys and girls to play football, which is again really important to us.
We faced Germany today, who of course are such a prominent team in world football. You know, they used to win in European titles, World Cup finals, and that goes for the youth teams as well. For us to pit ourselves against them today at a breezy and drizzly Denbigh Town, it's perfect. There's nothing more Welsh than this morning.
Next year we're playing an 8-team tournament against the best teams in Europe, so really it's about trying to prepare the players mentally, physically, tactically around playing 3 really hard competitive games against 3 real top teams and how it feels to come and play in these sort of environments.
Mae'r ymlaen yn tîm dda, gêm anodd iawn, ond y boys yn trio eu gorau, and dyna gyn ni gallu gofyn am, really.
That second half performance is probably right up there with whatever this group has produced in the past. To go toe-to-toe with a team like Germany, that should give this group of players confidence that they can compete. They should be at this level and we should be in the finals next summer, and yeah, it's a really exciting moment and a big step forward for this group.
Yeah, I thought they were a very good team throughout the game, but I think especially in the second half, like us as a team, I think we performed to how we know we can perform. Like we started putting them on the back foot, creating chances, and I think it's just disappointing. I wish we did that in the first half, which probably would have come out a better outcome overall.
Mae'r wythnos wedi fod yn ardderchog I curo 2 tîm. Ni methu fod mwy falch am y boys. Yn ffodus ni methu ennill pob gêm, ond ni wedi gyfer a good go.
Historically, we've maybe struggled in these tournaments in terms of going back-to-back. Physically, it's really demanding. The fact that we had that second half performance at the tail end of that mini-tournament gives me a lot of belief in what these boys can achieve next summer. It's really exciting times.